Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Because it's Thanksgiving and we got company coming over, I decided against painting because it's going to make the house smell like paint. It's too cold outside to work in the garage painting, so we're just going to put them up unpainted and then I'll paint them after they're installed. The outlets in the room on the other side of the wall are fed with a wire that runs through this wall, drilled holes through the studs. And that lines up just about where I'm going to put the shelf. Not a problem, it's just underneath the shelf. But to mount in the braces that I want to put under the shelf to hold the load, I have to make a relief cut in the brace to allow for the wire. Rather than cutting the wire and threading it through a hole, I'm just making a slot. Because I've got that wire underneath there, I have to notch out these supports to clear the wires. first shelf is mounted, and now I have to fiddle around and put the racks on there to see which one goes on where first. I got like 6 of them to fiddle with, so it's going to take a little time, and I'll do that off camera. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.